In this video, I'll guide you through the most exciting part. After setting up treatments and their makeup prices and uploading the fabric library, we are ready to create our first job. Click the New Job button to begin working on a new project, which will take you to the Jobs page. On the standard job page, you will notice a new navigation menu: Client page, Job page, Quote page, and Workshop page. Let's explore each section. In the Client page, you have the options to create either an individual client or a business client. You can search for existing customer in the database, save them, and their names will appear in the top of the menu. Now let's move to the Job section. In the Job section, you can add various treatments for each window. For each window, use the pencil icon to specify window types, leave notes for the manufacturers and yourself, of course, and upload images. All details entered here are saved and accessible on the Workshop page. After adding window details, select treatments like curtains, blinds, or services. Select those options from the drop-down menu. Choosing a treatment navigates you to the calculator, where you can adjust specifics to your needs. The treatments you see in the window are those previously created in the settings. Think of them as your favorite templates. You can modify one curtain template or create various ones like shears, shades, eyelet curtains, etc. When the treatment appears in the calculator, provide a name for it. Set the quantity and specify left, right, single, or pair options. The sketch helps decorators understand the treatment they will be working on. Further, set hems or edit them as needed, selecting options like bottom hems or lead weights. Beneficial for wide-width sheer fabrics. Choose a finishing method, either machine-finished or hand-finished options. And by the way, if you are using only one of the options, the drop-down will not be visible in the calculator. Select the lining type for lined curtains from the drop-down menu. Choose the heading style, and the calculator will assign fullness for your treatment. Next, enter measurements: rail width, curtain drop, and pooling. Select fabric from the library or input fabric details manually. Below, you will find detailed information about the curtain, including fabric amount, drop count, and service prices. Save the treatment and it will appear in the project. It's always beneficial to know that you can copy and paste individual treatments or windows within the same project or even into another job, saving time in recreating similar treatments. Next, let's move to the quote part. Customize the quote by adding new items to the project. Here you can skip the job part and directly focus on the quote, adding products directly to it. For clients interested only in treatments, use the simple or detailed view options. Apply discounts to fabric or entire project by selecting options from the menu. Add a deposit and include terms and conditions in the document you send to the customer. Quickly save or email the document to the client from the quote page using the email button. Navigate through statuses and set the deposit status using the respective buttons. And note that changing the status also changes the document title. Moving to the order page locks the job, making it uneditable until you return to the quote page. This prevents accidental changes. If the order is cancelled, select the cancelled option and specify the reason. The final step is the workshop information page, displaying all the necessary project details for the manufacturers. Assign a manufacturer, print workshop information page, and even annotate images for better explanation to the manufacturer.